How to fix Facebook Reels option not showing problem. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can fix Facebook Reel option not showing on your Facebook. Firstly, open settings on your device. After opening settings, scroll down and tap on the general option. Then go to the option iPhone storage. Now search for the application Facebook. Click on the option Upload app and again select Upload app from the bottom. Doing this will clear your Facebook app cache. Now go back to your settings main page. Go to the search bar on the very top and search for Facebook. Now tap on the Facebook app to open this kind of interface. Here make sure that local network, microphone and camera are turned on. Tap on the option Location. Make sure you are selecting the option while using the app. Now go back to your previous page. Go to the Photos option and make sure you select Full Access. Additionally, also check for any updates that may be available for the Facebook app. Open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Facebook. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.